What if I told you that the future of coding isn't just having an AI chatbot give you snippets, but having a full-fledged agent living right inside your terminal, actively building your project with you? Stop copy-pasting. It's time to let AI do the heavy lifting. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a real web application using Claude Code, the most powerful CLI tool that acts like a developer on your team. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Claude Code? Think of it this way. Tools like ChatGPT or the standard Claude chat interface are consultants. You ask a question, they give an answer, and you have to implement it. Claude Code is different. It's an agent. It lives in your terminal, which means it can see your entire file structure, read your code, edit multiple files at once, install packages, and even run commands on its own, all based on your natural language instructions. It's not just suggesting code, it's doing all the work. Now for getting set up with Claude Code. Go to claude.ai and sign up with your Google account. Once you've done this, you will need to upgrade to either a Pro or Max account plan to have access to this feature. In Visual Studio Code, open up a new file and open up the terminal. In the terminal, simply type Claude and go through the dialogues that come up. Once you've done that, you are set up with Claude Code. But now, let's get to building. Once you create a project folder, get onto VS Code and open up Claude Code, either through the terminal or the shortcut. Now, before I start, I always like to select my effort and model that I will be using. In this case, medium and just Sonnet, because it's not anything too intensive. I always ask Claude to start by making a plan, so that it doesn't go coding off into the blind. Here you can see I'm creating an arcade. After it's created the plan, it's going to start flying. It'll build the entire thing in just a few minutes. Something you should always do is create a claude.md. You can ask it to do this for you, but for something like this, I'll just do it myself. A few things I always ask it to do are to plan and verify its work before showing me. Most importantly, break out of a cycle of failure. A lot of times, if something goes wrong, it will try to make a bogus solution, and it won't end up how you want it to be. Now, let's see how it did. It created a full arcade with multiple games in just a few minutes. Now, creating little arcade games can be fun, but Claude Code really shines in building massive real-world projects. Let me show you what I created using Claude Code and without touching the keyboard at all when it comes to coding in just the last month. This is Vex Forge. If you didn't know, I currently do competition robotics in Vex V5. So a big part of it is modeling out your robot before building it. Except I thought that the current systems of CAD were pretty old and outdated and didn't serve their purpose very well. So I decided to use Claude Code and create my own version. This is going to be a full computer-aided design system for designing a robot, but will also have a field where you can test your robot and use AI to diagnose any problems and hopefully even iterate on the robot and make it even better. This is a massive project that I would never be able to do alone, and Claude Code has enabled me to create this entire thing in just such a short amount of time. Once you know how to use it, Claude Code is an amazing tool that can enable you to build whatever you want. I have been using it for a few months now, and it has completely changed the way how I code and build. Thank you for watching through the video, and if you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below, and I can't wait to see what you guys build. See you in the next video. Bye.